The world's best kept secret is this beautiful coastal town.
Staging is like a first date. Making a great first impression is the goal.
Oh, this looks great. Very nice.
She comes in, she decorates it, and gives it that extra push, that shiny spark that people want to see that goes, I've got to jump on this. I've got to buy this house now.
In today's episode, we're going to be redoing a small house on the lake. The realtor wanted a lot more color and a little bit more pizzazz to the place.
To bring in the right stager or the right designer who knows how to put the right furniture in the property to make it feel more open.
So I'm coming by to check out the progress. When I went shopping, I had one of my guys go ahead and hang up the barn door, and we're almost done fixing this. And when we get finished with this, we're gonna go ahead and start on the wall over here. So today is the last day of staging before we go ahead and do the big reveal tomorrow. And what I'm doing is I'm painting this wall blue so it ties in with the living room. The realtor that hired us wanted a lot more color and a little bit more pizzazz to the place.
So for this job, we have $2,500 for our decorating budget. Our homeowners graciously gave us the couch to work with. So now we got to hunt for chairs and accessories.
So flowers are the perfect accessory in staging, and today we're here at Ace. So we're gonna go ahead and pick out some flowers, and I'm gonna grab a piece of driftwood, put under the coffee table to add a little piece of Florida to our design. Done, the realtor, the homeowner, and I have discussed that we're going to go ahead and add another layer of texture to the walls because the house is so small before we go ahead and start staging. So I've gone and I've measured the walls and I've cut these boards to size, and we're going to put them up. In staging, sometimes it's fun to put something personal in the house. So for this house, I went ahead and put a hand painting that I did in Paris.
When you're working on a house that's limited on space, you definitely want to feel like you can open it up somehow, so, so it's not as closed off.
The color, we're going to add in a little bit of blue, and as you can see, these kind of have a little bit of purple that's in there also.
Hey guys, what a transformation. We added this pop of blue.
We have everything. We're ready for the reveal, so let's head to the tiny cottage. Let's get this reveal started. 1, 2, 3.
Wow, this looks so much better. Oh. This is beautiful, Brandi. I love it. It's so much better than it used to be. I love the nickel gap. I love the lights. The chairs are perfect. It keeps the place open. Very nice.
Woo. That was a wrap.